Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about some basic commands which are very IMP in the production environment. So whenever you are creating any volume, so how you can check the volume status? So using this command, you can check this command. You can get the DG name using this VX info space hyphen G and give the DG name. So under this DG, how many volumes are created, you can get using this command. That is VX info space hyphen G space DG name. Another command, that is the VX print command. You can get this information for the volume, that is VX print space hyphen VT. Here is the status is showing enable. Now if suppose I want to stop the volume, so using this command VX volume space hyphen G space DG name space stop and give the volume name. So these commands you can use to stop the volume. Again you can check using this VX print command. Here is the status is showing this enable. This data volume is now disabled. If I want to enable it again, you can use the start. Now you can check the status is now changed, that is enable. If suppose there are multiple volumes and if you want to disable all the volumes, then use the stop. Replace of this stop, you can use the stop all if you want to stop all the volumes. This is the command you can use. But in production you need to take more precautions while running this command, because you are stopping your volume and most of the volumes are mounted and they are application and the DB related, so you need to careful while running this command. Another command that is volume related, that is VX edit space hyphen G. If you want to remove the particular volume from the DG, so you can use this command, that is VX volume space hyphen G space RM space hyphen RF space volume name. So using this command you can remove your volume from this DG. Now you can check this volume is now deleted from the server. This VX print command only reflecting the output for this DG and their disk name. You can check the output, that is VX disk space hyphen O. This is the command you can use to remove all the volumes which are in the DG and we having this status enable. So if suppose this command you run, so all the volumes can delete directly from your server, from your DG. So you can use this command if suppose you want to remove all the volumes from any particular DG having this status that is enabled. Or you can check the status, if suppose the disable status, then you need to mention the disabled. Another command, that is vxdg space hyphen G space data DG space free. Here you can get the information about the disk offset value and the length. And the another command, that is the logs. All logs are located under this command, that is the Veritas volume manager. Logs are located under this cmd log. So all the logs you get under this file. So these are the basic information and these are the most IMP commands you can use in the environment while working on this Veritas volume manager. So thank you guys.